Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, a little bit of everything with Erin. Today we're going to do a really quick video. I know I just did a cake topper video maybe about a week or two ago, but I did have someone ask some questions that we didn't really touch in that one, so this will be cake topper part 2. Okay, so the question she had was how to have like an offset on the back side of it so that you can be using two different colors. So we will just go and type in an 8, and we will type in my daughter's name just to make it easy. I want these centered, so I'm going to go into the text style and center this. And I do want to use a different font. As you guys know, I like to use nice thick fonts, so we're going to use Impact. I just find these are easier to work with. I'm going to make this a little bigger for you guys to see. And we want to bring that 8, actually I don't like the size of that 8, let's make that bigger. So I'm going to ungroup it, make the 8 bigger. Group the name. Take both of these and center, and then we'll bring the name down a bit. Okay. So now that we have that a little better, we want to make our offset. To go to the offset, you're going to use the star right here, the double star, and you're going to click on offset. You can change the size to bigger or smaller depending on what you're doing. We do want these to kind of overlap, so I like where the size is right now, so I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. So as you can see, that is one image. Now if the 8 and the name did not overlap because your letters here where the L's are is a little lower, you would go ahead and click both of them, right click and hit weld. But it's perfect, I love it. The only thing I am going to change is the circles here in the 8. I'm actually going to remove those. I'm going to do that by hitting right click and release compound path and just take both of those out. So now I can make that the color of, let's say, the cardstock I'm using, and we'll go with black. Now I'm going to put the 8 and the name back over it, but I'm going to change those to a color as well. And for this one, we'll just do the hot pink. So when you cut these out, the 8 and the name don't have to be overlapping and touching one another because you're going to glue these down to the black part of the cardstock, which will be one piece. We'll group that, take the cut lines off just so you can see it nice and clean. And then you would just use your chopsticks or your straws on the back side of the black to attach it to and place it inside the cake. So I hope that answered your question. If you have any more questions, though, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. And if you click on little crafty mama over here in the corner, she'll help you subscribe even faster. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. That really does help me out, and I appreciate it when you guys slam on that like button. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys, until next time, happy crafting!